All right, so I just found a Faceless YouTube channel that was created just 1 month ago, and it's already making thousands of dollars a month. Now, the goal of this video was to see if I can recreate this channel by using AI. And not only did I succeed, but I'm able to recreate these videos in less than 20 minutes. Basically, I can create a video like this in 20 minutes. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI and how to use AI automation in order to create a YouTube channel like this one and start your YouTube journey, in this video, I'm basically going to show you everything.
So if you want to learn, this video is for you. So let's start. Now, the first thing I want to do is show you the channel. So the channel name is Zenn. Over here is this channel over here. We can see that this channel has 157,000 subscribers with just 19 videos. If we click over here to see more, we'll see that the total number of views is 16 million. Now it shows us that the channel was created like 12 years ago in 2014, but if we click on the videos and we click on the oldest upload, which is basically the first upload, we will see that the first upload was made 2 months ago. So this channel started posting videos just 2 months ago, and in just 2 months we can see over here the vidIQ stats. It's showing us that this channel. Sometimes Vidic doesn't give the correct data, but this channel earns more than $11,000. If we click over here to see the most popular videos, we will see that the most popular video was posted 2 months ago and it has 7.6 million views. Another video over here with 3.7 million views was posted 1 month ago, and almost every making decent views. So this niche is exploding. This creator over here is literally going to make $100,000 in literally 2 months of creating YouTube videos, which is absolutely insane. Now, as I said in the beginning, the goal of this video was to see if I can recreate this channel by using AI as fast as possible. And as I said, I managed to do that. You can literally create videos like these ones over here in less than 20 minutes by using AI automation. So let me show you how to do it. Step 1 is the part most people rush through, and that's the biggest mistake you can make. I'm talking about your video topic. Here's the truth that nobody tells you when you're starting a faceless YouTube channel. Your editing doesn't matter if your topic is wrong. Your voice doesn't matter. Your visuals don't matter. If your topic doesn't make someone feel something the second they read it, curiosity, fear, surprise, confusion, they will scroll right past you every single time. So how does a channel like Zenn pick topics that make people stop scrolling? Look at their library for a few minutes, and a pattern becomes obvious immediately. Every single video is built around a question that the viewer didn't know they needed answered. Not just interesting facts, not top 10 lists. Questions that feel personal. Questions that make you feel like the video was made specifically for you. That's the key. The best performing topics don't feel like content. They feel like a mirror being held up to your face. Now, the good news, you don't have to spend hours brainstorming these yourself. I've put together a Google Doc with a ready-to-use prompt that generates topics exactly like this. The link is in the description. Go there, grab the video topic prompt, paste it directly into Claude, and run it without changing a single word. What comes back is going to surprise you. Claude will generate 50 viral topic ideas, and these aren't generic. These are titles like Why Your Brain Lies to You Every Single Day, or Why You Will Be Forgotten in 150 Years. Read those out loud for a second. Notice how each one creates an immediate emotional reaction. Your brain instantly wants to know the answer. That's not an accident. That's the formula working exactly the way it's supposed to. Go through the list and pick the one that grabs you, not the one that seems smart, not the one that seems safe, the one that you personally feel the urge to click on, because if it works on you, it'll work on your audience too. For this example, I went with this one. Why do humans have eyebrows? Simple, weird, strangely compelling. You're already thinking about it, aren't you? That's exactly why it works. All right, you have your topic. Now comes the part that makes or breaks your entire channel, the script. Think about what happens when a viewer actually clicks your video. They've taken a bet on you. They gave you their attention, which in 2025 is genuinely one of the most valuable things a person can give. And the moment your video fails to pay that off, the moment it gets slow or vague or boring, they're gone. And YouTube notices. Your watch time drops, your algorithm reach drops, your channel stops growing. This is why the script is not something you rush. This is the foundation. Get this right, and everything else becomes easy. Here's what you do. Go back to that same Google Doc, copy the video script prompt, and paste it into Claude. This time, you're going to change exactly 2 things. Your video topic, the one you just picked, and your target script length. If you study Zenn's content, You'll notice most of their videos run between 8 and 10 minutes. That's not random either. It's the sweet spot where YouTube's algorithm rewards you with ad revenue while keeping the watch time high enough to keep pushing your video. So set your target between 8 and 10 minutes, leave everything else in the prompt exactly as it is, and run it. Now watch what happens. Claude doesn't just dump a wall of facts at you. It builds a script with structure, with tension, with story. It opens with a hook that pulls viewers in before they've even had a chance to decide if they're interested. One example from our eyebrow script, right now, without even thinking about it, your face just made a micro expression. That's the opening line. You're already paying attention. You're already wondering what comes next. That's the power of a properly structured AI-assisted script. It's not just information, it's a story. And people stay for stories. Once your script is ready, read through it once. Make sure it sounds like something a real human would say, not a Wikipedia article. Claude is good, but you're the one who knows your audience. Make any small tweaks that feel right, and then move on. Now we need visuals, because here's something worth paying attention to. Zenn doesn't use stock footage. They don't use talking heads or screen recordings. They use simple, hand-drawn style stick animations. And those visuals are a huge reason people keep watching. It feels different. It feels crafted. It feels like someone put thought into every frame, even though the actual production process is surprisingly straightforward. Here's how you do it. Go back to the Google Doc one more time and grab the visual prompt. Paste it into Claude Faceless, same chat window, so it already has your script, and run it. Claude will go through your script line by line and generate individual image prompts for each scene. Specific, detailed, ready to paste directly into an image generator. For image generation, I recommend Google Flow. It's free, it's fast, and the output quality is genuinely impressive. Go to the Google Flow website, start a new project, paste your first scene prompt, and hit generate. In about 5 to 10 seconds, you'll have an image that's colorful, unique, and built specifically around your script. Work through each prompt one by one, download everything as you go. By the time you're done, you'll have a full set of custom visuals, no stock photos, no recycled footage, that match your video perfectly. Next up, voiceover. You've got two options here. Use your own voice, which is actually a great choice if you're comfortable with it because authentic human voices tend to perform well, or use an AI voice tool. If you're going the AI route, 11 Labs is the best option on the market right now. The voices are natural, the pacing is controllable, and the output sounds genuinely human. Paste in your script, pick a voice that fits the tone of your content, and generate. It usually takes just a few minutes. Download your audio file and keep it ready. We're almost at the finish line. Now it's time to put everything together. And this is where a lot of creators make a critical mistake. They treat editing like it's just a technical task, like it's just moving files around on a timeline. It's not. Editing is strategy. Open CapCut or whatever editing software you're comfortable with and import your voiceover and all your visual files. Lay your audio down first on the timeline, then start placing your images on top. The goal is simple. Every few seconds, something on screen should change. A new image, a zoom in, a zoom out, a transition, something that keeps the viewer's eyes engaged and prevents that moment of restlessness where they start thinking about clicking away. Add subtle zoom effects, what's in and out on your images. It adds movement even when nothing is moving. Layer in some light background music, keep it low so it doesn't compete with the narration, and make sure your transitions between scenes are smooth and intentional. Here's the thing about editing that most people don't fully understand until they see it in their analytics. Your watch time percentage is directly connected to your editing rhythm. A video that moves, that keeps cutting, keeps showing something new, keeps rewarding attention, holds viewers longer, and longer watch time means YouTube pushes your video to more people. It compounds fast. So take your time with the edit. Not days, but give it focus, get it right. When you're done, export at the highest quality your software allows, and you're ready to upload. But before you hit publish, one last thing. And don't skip this. Your thumbnail, everything you've built, the topic, the script, the visuals, the edit, means nothing if the thumbnail doesn't make someone want to click. The thumbnail is the first thing a viewer sees. It's the cover of the book. And yes, people absolutely judge by covers. The good news is, you've already done the hard work. Go back through the images you generated for your video and find the one that is the most visually striking, the most colorful, the most emotionally interesting. That's your thumbnail. Keep it simple. Zenn's thumbnails aren't cluttered. They use one bold image, minimal text, and a title that creates immediate curiosity. Your thumbnail and your title need to work together like a conversation. The thumbnail grabs attention. The title makes them lean in. Together, they create a click. So let's recap the full process. You start with a viral topic, generated by AI, chosen by instinct. You build a structured, story-driven script using a proven prompt. You generate custom visuals scene by scene. You create a natural-sounding voiceover. You edit with intention, keeping the pace tight and the viewer locked in. And you top it off with a thumbnail and title combination that no one can scroll past. That's it. That's the whole system. And the channels using this workflow right now, some of them started just weeks ago, are already pulling in serious revenue. The barrier to entry for high-quality faceless YouTube content has never been lower. The tools exist. The process works. The only thing missing is you actually starting. So go grab that Google Doc from the description. Pick your topic today. Run your first script tonight. You'd be surprised how fast this moves once you actually start. See you in the next one.